from BSN Morning School, and I will be performing a third demonstration in administering oral medication. So first, we have to perform hand hygiene to avoid and remove any pathogens or microorganisms. And then after that, we prepare medication adhering to the 10 rights of drug administration, which are the right medication, right dose, right time, right row, right client, right science education, right documentation, right to refuse, right assessment, and lastly the right evaluation. And then after that, we prepare equipment needed for proper and efficient procedure later on. And then we identify our client by reading the identification bracelet and addressing the client by name. So as for my client, she doesn't have any identification bracelet. So I'll be identifying my patient using the patient identifiers, which are their name and their birthday. So good morning, ma'am. I am Maria Sylvia Jacqueso, your nurse responsible in administering your oral medication today. May I know and confirm your name, please? Thank you so much. And after that, we explain each procedure and the purpose of the drug. So, ma'am, I will be administering your Therafer with this will strengthen your immune system and increase the overall resistance to stress and infections. And then we verify any allergies listed to the medication record. As stated in your medication record, ma'am, you don't have any allergies. May I confirm?
Wala yung nag-gloves ka na?
Sorry. And then after that, we position the client in a semi-fowler or sitting position to avoid the patient from choking. And then we don gloves if there is a possibility of exposure to oral secretion. Then, after that, we open unit dose package and then place one drug at the client's hand or pour on a medication cup and give to the patient, and also we provide assistance if needed. So for the solid medication, I will just be giving the drug to my client. So can you hold your medication, ma'am? And then instruct the client to place the drug into the mouth and then follow liquid to ensure. After that, I will be administering a liquid medication after the pill. So I will be pouring it under the medication cup and instruct the patient to drink all the solutions and provide assistance if needed. So ma'am, I want you to drink all the solutions that I will be giving you, since I will be administering you the right dose that is needed for your body. Okay?
Place your hands around your upper back.
And then after that, we reposition the client and place call light within reach to avoid causing discomfort to the patient after giving the medication. Then we lift the side rails to avoid the patient from falling. And then we discard or restore the equipment properly to preserve it for the next use. And then now note that if client refuses drug or drug has not been given, do not discard the drug in their disposables. If drug has not been given, do not leave the drug at the bedside. If the unit dose is open, restore it in the medication cabinet or drawer. And then if drug is opened, then flush it down to the toilet or discard it on the sink. And then after that, we remove the gloves and again perform hand hygiene to remove and avoid the spread of any microorganisms. And after that, we document the medication and the medication record for continuity of care and legal documentation. And then we assess client 30 to 60 minutes after the medication has been given and document client's response to the medication to assess if the client has an allergy reaction to the given medication.
Yan, bayan na.